going to try something with you, Imogen. I'm going to try a little experiment and to see if in fact that your actions are indeed random, or if you can be influenced in any way in the choices that you're going to make. Okay, so you're going to make all the choices. We'll see if we can make this as random as possible. We're going to start with a deck of cards. Your first choice, Imogen, is which half you want to use as a target half. So if we just take roughly half the cards, which half do you want to be the target half?
That one.
Do you want this half, right? Okay, well if you have that half, do me a favour, give them a shuffle, mix them up, and this will be, we'll use this as target half, and you can have that half over there. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get these there a second. Just give a good mix for me. I want to make this as random as possible, okay? Don't overdo it, just make sure you're happy that they're random, okay? Can you just do me a favour and just fan them out, spread them out face up, face up, so I can see all the faces. Doesn't have to be perfect, just so I can see. Fantastic, okay. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple of notes on these three cards here. Let's have a look, okay. Right, okay. Let's have a look, right. I think, yeah, that should do fine. Yeah, that's good. Let's get that there, like so. Bit of dead time here, but that's good. And then one more. Yeah, okay. Get that one there. Okay, so I've written three things on here, okay? Okay. I think you should, yeah, you should be able to read that. Okay. You happy that you shuffle all them up, Imogen?
Yes.
Okay, look, we're just going to put these three cards with this pack here. But again, I want it to be random, okay? So I'm just going to just drop some cards down. Let's just chuck one in there, one in there, again one in there. Do me a favour, Imogen, mix them up again for me without looking at the faces. So I don't want you to see where I put those cards, or for you to know, where I put them. I want to make it as random as possible, okay? I really want to make this as totally messed up and random as possible, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so your next choice, Imogen, your next task, and to do this as random as possible, I want you to deal in a second 3 piles of cards. Okay? You can do any order you want, you can put as many cards down as you like. My only stipulation is that you have to have at least 1 card left in your hand at the end.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead, do them down, face down, as random as you like. You can put as many down as you like, you don't have to put one down, you can put as many down as you like at one time. But make it as random as possible. I want you to feel that it's totally random. Okay? You have at least 1 card left in your hand, that's all. You have more, or are you happy with that?
Yeah.
So just 1 card, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave that there a second. So far, everything's been random, okay? You shuffled the cards, you chose which half you wanted, you've now mixed them into 3 piles.
Yeah.
Okay, so your next random choice is, do you want to leave the piles as they are,
Yeah.
or do you want to shuffle them up again further? You can mix them around.
I'll leave them as they are, I think.
You're happy to leave them as they are, right? Can you just do me a favour, can you just square them up so they're nice and neat for me? Thank you. So far, like I said, you chose the half cards you wanted. So we're using this target half, that was your half. You shuffle the cards. Okay. I wrote 3 different notes down, we pop them into the cards. You've shuffled them and mixed them into 3 piles, alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was just a little bit of a, say, misdirection. That card there doesn't really make much difference. So out of the target half, Imogen, which card do you want? Just name one of those cards.
4 clubs.
4 clubs. And which pile do you want it to go on?
This one.
The middle pile? Okay. And again, let's put it there. Which other one do you want? Another card?
3 of hearts.
Or 3 of hearts, and where do you want that to go?
That one.
That one there. Okay, and then the last one, Imogen. So which one do you want?
The 9 of clubs.
9 clubs, and that's obviously going on the end there, yeah? Let's move that on the end there. Okay, happy with that?
Yeah.
So we've got 3 cards that you've selected, okay? So we've got the 3 of hearts, the 4 of clubs, and the 9 of clubs. Now, do you remember at the beginning I wrote 3 things down?
Yeah.
And what else? I wrote on 3 cards. So I remember what the cards were now. I think it was the 6 of diamonds I wrote on. It was the Ace of spades, I think. And also it was the 6 of spades. The funny thing was, Imogen, you shuffled the cards up at the beginning, yeah?
Yeah.
You chose which half you wanted.
Yeah.
You then chose the piles that you wanted. and you chose these 3 cards that you wanted. I said the 6 of diamonds, Imogen. The 6 of diamonds, Imogen. I wrote at the beginning that you would choose the 3 of hearts. But not only would you choose the 3 of hearts, you'd want it in this pile and you'd shuffle the 6 of diamonds to the top of that pile. I also wrote on the ace of spades. I said that you were going to pick the 4 of clubs. And again, not only would you pick the 4 of clubs, that you would shuffle the 4 of clubs. You'd have the 4 of clubs, on this pile and shuffle the ace of spades to the top. And then the last one, the 6 of spades. And I wrote on it that you were going to choose the 9 of clubs. And again, that not only would you choose the 9 of clubs, that you shuffle this card to the top and you want the 9 of clubs on that pile. And that engine is random.
That's crazy.